Imagine greeting guests with a living room floor so striking they pause mid-step, convinced you hired a designer, yet you did it all with tiles you chose yourself. Today we're unlocking the newest floor tile design ideas that instantly update modern living rooms, from eco-friendly terrazzo to supersized porcelain slabs. Whether you crave bold patterns or subtle luxury, these tips transform any space without breaking the bank. Floor tiles set the stage for every other design decision, functioning like a canvas that influences furniture choices, wall colors, and even the mood of a room. This year, designers are treating living room flooring the way fashionistas treat statement coats. Timeless base, trend-forward details. We'll explore palettes that evolve with the seasons, cost-saving hacks, and layout tricks that make compact apartments feel expansive. By the end, you'll know exactly which tiles complement your style and lifestyle. First up, spring-summer vibes. Think breezy porcelain tiles and washed eucalyptus greens, pale blushes, and sandy creams. Shades that echo outdoor freshness and blur the boundary between balcony and lounge. Combine them with rattan accent chairs and linen throws for a coastal garden atmosphere that feels effortless yet curated. Lighter hues also reflect daylight, maximizing brightness while lowering your energy bills. Bonus tip: choose tiles with subtle speckles to disguise everyday dust between cleaning sessions. temperatures dip, pivot to autumn-winter sophistication by introducing warm gray or deep rust tiles featuring faint marbling. These tones ground plush sofas in velvet or leather while pairing beautifully with brass floor lamps. If you prefer cooler decor, charcoal slate effect porcelain offers modern drama without overpowering artwork or holiday decorations. Swap soft furnishings seasonally. Think wool throws or faux fur cushions to freshen the palette while your floor remains a consistent, cozy anchor year-round. Pattern lovers rejoice. Encaustic-inspired tiles are still trending, but with a contemporary twist. Instead of traditional florals, look for abstract brushstrokes or pixel-style geometrics in muted two-tone palettes. Lay them across the entire living area for a boutique hotel statement, or frame a rectangular rug zone under the coffee table while keeping surrounding tiles neutral. This approach instantly energizes minimalist furniture and provides effortless conversation starters whenever friends pop over. For those leaning towards sleek minimalism, oversized porcelain slabs, think 60 by 120 centimeters or larger, create seamless expanses with fewer grout lines, visually stretching the room. Matte finish stone look tiles and soft ivory or greige whisper understated luxury, especially when paired with low-profile sectionals and concealed storage. A pro-level tip: Align lighting fixtures with the direction of the tile veins or subtle striations, accentuating length and giving your living area that architect-designed aura. Longing for the warmth of timber without the maintenance. Wood-look porcelain has evolved dramatically, featuring realistic knots, varying plank widths, and even subtle saw marks. Arrange planks in a chevron layout to marry classic Parisian style with modern durability. These tiles resist scratches from pets or children's toys and stay color-fast under intense sunlight. Perfect for a family-friendly living room that refuses to compromise on sophistication. The Terrazzo revival shows no sign of slowing. Contemporary mixes swap primary color chips for tonal splashes. Think jade shards in sage cement or amber fragments in taupe bases. Large format terrazzo tiles reduce installation labor, making them surprisingly budget-friendly. Pair with streamlined mid-century furniture, and let metallic accents, perhaps a brushed gold floor lamp, highlight those flecks. Because every tile is slightly different, the floor gains an eclectic, artisanal feel without the custom price tag. Geometric patterns aren't just decorative. They can manipulate perception. Diamond or hexagon tiles laid in expanding motifs draw the eye outward, making compact lounge zones feel wider. 4 long, narrow rooms. Alternate contrasting triangles to disrupt tunnel vision. Stick to a 2-shade palette, say soft white and muted clay, to maintain harmony while still delivering that playful edge. Add streamlined furniture with hairpin legs so the floor remains the star attraction.